here without kind of going through the list first. I'm new to streaming each trade, so I missed this. Let's go ahead and change my background. That's a little gay. Okay, these lines, beautiful. So first step in the pre-trade checklist is to mark daily level, 4 hour, 1 hour. The one that we're trading here is this daily level. So I'm marking my daily levels in this kind of bright green. It's what I would say is the bottom of this range that we've been in. If you kind of zoom out, the center point has been these two lines since the beginning of this year, about while I've been kind of crabbing. But this says this daily level that we're going to trade off of has many CSLs. It's a little bit hard to see, but one here, here, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you could say maybe this one that's too far away. 8. It looks like we kind of pierced level. We came back, but this looks like what I would say is a downtrend. This looks like a pretty normal downtrend. And that's in the daily and in the 1 hour. The fuck is this going so slow? Yeah, pretty clear downtrend on the 1 hour as well. Calculate the ATR. We passed 70% in a direction. So, I mean, right now we're 102 points from the open, so ATR is almost nothing. And look at the price versus key levels. We have 3-to-1 risk ratio here. In this case, we do. The next key level I've marked, daily key level, is down here. The trade I've set already is 3-to-1 ratio. So here's the stop. Here's take profit. More than 3-to-1 ratio. I use the tool that I've mentioned before. I wrote this little script for myself to make sure I'm always using the correct position size. It's way I've messed up before is I open a position, it's way too big, and then you're scared to exit it because you have to pay extra fees and whatever. So for my little tool, it's a little Python script. I just type in CL. The first argument is my stop price, and then the next argument is the current market price. And then from there, it gives me my stop size, what my correct size is. Again, I'm new strategy, so I'm just using kind of a $200. Is real $200. It's not paper trading, but I mean, $200 is nothing. So these are very small positions. $86 for this position, $86 worth of Bitcoin, and then the take profit is this amount. So I've entered this trade, and what I'm looking at here is kind of a bounce trade. So we cleared this level, which is maybe somewhat of a floating level, right? We're just kind of moving around it. Definitely pierced it, and have come back. Given that we're on a clear 1 hour downward trend and a downward daily trend, I think that the chance of this continuing lower than this low is a high chance. There's a high chance of that happening. So this is my first trade of this week, April 25th. Later.